At the heart of the health care debate is whether to cut Medicaid and cut taxes for the rich. A lot of the money for that would have paid for the Medicaid expansion under President Obama. In fact, President Obama expanded the Medicaid rolls by 30%, about 11 million people during his tenure. So now we have people in Trump states like West Virginia, Kentucky, who are very much dependent on Medicaid. In fact, a lot of the country is dependent. 40% of children are on Medicaid. 60% of seniors in nursing homes are in Medicaid. I remember years ago, 20 years ago in the legislature, medical assistance it was called then in Wisconsin, and it kept going up every year. The need went up every year. And then Republican leader in the Assembly, David Prosser, said, we are spending too much money on medical assistance. It kept going up. That's right, the needs keep going up. Now the federal level is the same thing. Once you create an entitlement, it's very hard to take that away, almost impossible. Benjamin Franklin said all those years ago, democracy is doomed once the people figure out a way to give themselves money out of the treasury. Well, a different form of that. We have 68 million people on Medicaid now, 58 million people on Medicare. I know they put into that. But this argument of whether the government should be involved in health care, I think the government is involved in health care when you have 68 million people on Medicaid. No, the argument the Republicans are making is to bring it back to its original intent in 1965. Medicaid for children, poor women, the disabled. Now it's gone to a broader category of low-income, able-bodied adults. Can we keep up this pace? A 30% increase in 8 years? Now we're talking about whether to cut it back. Where Republican senators are saying, no, it cuts Medicaid too much. Republicans can say, no, it's just slowing down the rate of increase, but nobody's buying it. The bottom line is we're borrowing $500 billion a year to maintain this $20 trillion debt, and Benjamin Franklin is in his grave, maybe spinning, maybe smiling, I don't know, but at some point we will run out of other people's money, and there aren't enough rich people to pay the tab. Something to think about. Those are my 2 cents. My 2 minutes are brought to you by Capital Consultants and Edge Construction. Mike Tuig and his staff can read your kitchen, your basement, your bathroom, your staircase, make your home feel just like home. We'll talk about this and more on the Mitch Henck Show on madison.com.